Hey friends, just want to share with you peacocks fry in grow out tank. They are in 55 gallon and 3 of them are albino. Originally I had 6 of them, but I lost 3. It was my mistake. I thought they're big enough, so I had an extra Samsung 304B. I installed that on a tank. After a few hours I found 3 of them stuck in the intake and died. It was bad. I want to make me mad, but it is what it is. We all do mistakes. So here's the fries I have left. They're about 20 and 3 of them are albino. They're like 2 months old in a 55 gallon grow out. They're growing kind of slow grower. I'm not feeding them too much, just like flake food only, crushed flake food. That's it. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it.